Yun guys, nakalagpas na tayo sa immigration, nakapag-book, check-in na kami ng luggage, then papunta na ako sa gate ko guys. Tingnan natin yung flight natin. Ayun, Manila 23:45, so gate open. So grabe no. Tingin lang tayo, hindi man tayo bibili, wala tayong pambili guys. Diba? Hindi naman masama tumingin. Yeah. Nandito tayo sa duty free. Walang price yung GoPro Hero 12 no? Tamang tingin lang.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Singapore Airlines flight.
Punta na ako sa gate. Punta natin tong gate natin guys. So yun, approaching na ako sa gate. So gate 14 yung Cebu Pacific. So gates 12 to 20, 675 to 725 meters walk, 15 minutes. Alright, so may time tayo para maglakad-lakad dito no. So ito tayo ng 14, so dun tayo. At least maganda na yung makita na natin yung gate natin. Kasi I mean para makapagpahinga na. Makaupo muna doon. So ano mo po. Ayun, nakita ko na kung saan ang direction ng ating gate. Going there. Yung mga panda rito guys. Kita nyo yung panda oh. Iba, colorful panda. Konti na lang, nasa gate 14 na tayo guys. Perth Airport, doon tayo nagland. Dating natin dito sa Australia. Exit natin ay Melbourne. Galing no? Galing ni Lord. Ang galing talaga ni Lord. There we go. Gate 14. Ayun. Ayo.
Second Alco, turn right.
32F. Asi. Thank you. Good morning.
Manila bound.
32, where are you? Ayun. Outbound.
Manila?
32F. Now, tingnan. Lapit na ako mag-airport. Ito guys, airport na. Airport. Airport na kami guys. Touchdown na.
We have just landed at Aquino International Airport, Cebu Pacific Airlines, to Manila, Philippines. Local time now is at 15 minutes past the hour of 6 in the morning, and for your information, there is a 2-hour time difference between Melbourne, Australia and Manila being behind. Ground temperature is at 30 degrees Celsius. We're also pleased to announce that we have just landed 10 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. Thank you.
you for flying Cebu Pacific.
On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight and crew captain Crisostomon, together with First Officer Cruz and First Officer Macasa and the rest of your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your...
Okay na guys, nakuha na natin ang ating baggage. Ba't na tayo? Hindi ako nakita. Hawakan mo muna ito baby, hawakan mo lang. Mamaya.
Bakit ka may headset?
Siyempre, pang music.
So, naka-video ka pala eh.
Hindi na? Ay, naka-video pa ba? Oo, naka-video.
Sakit.
Ah, sakit? Oo.
Bakit
Big boy na.
ganyan?
Ay, mamaya, nakabagpak si Papa.